Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of iPhone Bloke where we help quality people to pick quality product. Right, so today's video is of great importance, especially if you're buying to buy or if you're planning to buy XUV 300, let's say base variant or W6 or whatever. So I have been getting a lot of questions, and this is one of those videos where I'm going to be revealing the exterior and the interior accessories price for XUV 300 for W4 and W6. So let's get started. The first thing first, I'm going to talk about the price of interior accessories for XUV 300. So let's get started. Please forgive me because I've got the list from the dealer in my mobile phone and I'm reading for all of you and helping you understand. So in case if I look down, please don't mind because I'm trying to get you the best possible information on the PDF file which I've received from the Mahindra sales dealer. Right, so let's get started. Number one. So if I talk about the chrome tail lamp garnish, it will cost you around 1,576. Chrome tail lamp extension garnish, again 704. Chrome back door garnish, 1,272. Chrome rear bumper accent, it will cost you 1,280. The chrome door handle set, this is a handle of four doors, it will cost you 901, which is very affordable. Chrome fender garnish, this is near the indicator, so it will cost 433 rupees. Chrome ORV, so called the glasses, it will cost you 999. And then we have chrome insert for doors, that is around 1,844. Door visor, yeah, helpful for rain, it's 1,463. Roof decay, which you want to get it done either black or white, whatever you wish, it's 7,698. Sporty side decay, I would not recommend, though it's available in red and grey, because your vehicle may look a little ordinary. So again, the cost of the same is around about 3,000 rupees. Racing strips, don't do that, 3,170. Prim design roof wrap, which is 5,400, but then the same thing is also available when you go in the market around about 2,500. So don't do that, doesn't look good. It only feels premium when you have a top model, because there you get combination of dual tone. Don't go from the outside stuff. Front bumper skid plate, that will cost you 5,360. Front bumper protector, 3,141. Skid plate extender, 6,600. A little expensive though. And then you have side chrome insert body molding, that's cost you 1,603. Rear bumper protector, that's very important, 3,091. Spoiler, if you happen to have W4, W6, you can easily employ for 3,091. That's a good option. Now, aluminium roof carrier with brackets, I would not recommend, 7,380. Chrome upper grille garnish, very important, 1,004, and it will enhance the look of your vehicle. And then you have chrome waistline, which is around about 1,679. Chrome door cladding, 1,494. accessory bumper protector, 4,962. 16-inch dual tone wheel cover, 361. Buy it, it's really worth buying it. 16-inch OE wheel cover, 752. That's very important. Now the important thing, the alloy wheels, 17-inch OE painted alloy wheels will cost you 11,241. 7-inch OE dual tone alloy wheels, 12,322. And the body cover for the car will cost you 1,300 to 1,400 at the max. Let's talk about the exterior part. So in the exterior, I have seat covers for W6 and W4. It starts from 7,580 and it goes till 15,922 depending on the material. I would rather recommend go for beige color and kind of beige, black and beige, because the interior of the car is of beige and black, so it suits the entire vehicle. Then you also have a door trim armrest, it depends whether you want to or not, 1,990. Napa leather steering cover, very important, 960. Rear luggage cover, if you want, 1,463. Boot organizer, I don't know, it's required, 850. And then you have important things like floor mats. It starts from 615 to 381, and that is of great importance. I would not recommend go and do it from outside, because it will cost you within 2,500 and you get the best possible protection as well. Audio unit from Pioneer, it starts from 4,000, end up 45, depending what you want. And then Things like headrest mounted DVD, I don't think it's required, but if you want a lot of luxury, 17,000 rupees. Reverse camera 7032, rear sensors 4795, and yeah, these are the important things I thought of sharing with one and all, because if you want to buy a W4, which is already an expensive affair, or let's say petrol or diesel, whatever, within the range of 50 to 60,000, you can make this vehicle a brand new luxury car. Well, with this note, I would want to sign off. Not before I say, do subscribe, comment, click, turn on all your notifications so that whenever we upload a video, you get the latest update. Thank you so much for watching and take care.